Let's have a quick conversation about Digital River. And this is an e-commerce platform that we want to review into this conversation. And here's an overview I want you to think about. When you think about Digital River, I want you to think about a fully integrated business suite that actually offers tools and capabilities to help you actually handle and meet your e-commerce, your payments, and marketing requirements. So when you think about Digital River, think about an integrated, holistic approach to your e-commerce and also offline commerce solutions. So that's kind of cool. And actually, this software is actually built based on over 20 years of experience by professionals in the state areas, so that in the end, you have a tool that allows you to attract more customers, build a larger client base, and speed up time to market while keeping the cost of ownership at a very minimal level. So, of course, Digital River is not a name that's known as much as Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, or GoDaddy Commerce, but they've been kicking ass for the last 20 years. So that's really good. In terms of track record, we love that a lot, okay? And with Digital River, you are actually you have tools and services to help you manage your business, provide support to your staff. So that's kind of cool in terms of scalability. We love that a lot. So whether you work with 5 staff members or 50 staff members or 500 staff members, you have the scalability embedded within Digital River. You're also able to improve customer experience from let's say from A to Z. Okay, customer experience from initial contact and all throughout their journey. So you are able to actually push your prospects and your leads pretty down the sales funnel, your sales funnel, and actually convert them into paying customers. So that's kind of cool. And you also have a customizable payment processing and powerful marketing features. Actually, also are really prominent within Digital River. I'll speak about the features later on, so you have a better idea about what I'm speaking about. But overall, what we love about the Digital River is actually what I said a little earlier. You have an extensive suite of e-commerce services. Okay, so you're able to have that, and also you are able to like you have access to modules such as display advertising, advanced analytics, email marketing, site optimization, and also search engine marketing. So from an SEM and SEO point of view, you are well equipped with Digital River. I want to talk to you about our evaluation here. So what are the pros and cons of Digital River? When you analyze Digital River from a holistic point of view, what are the pluses and what are the minuses? Some, at least some. I'm not going to give you an exhaustive list, but what we think after our investigation into a Digital River e-commerce platform, the pluses include the fact that you have a tool that offers 3 distinct marketing solutions for users' needs. So that's kind of cool, right? Display advertising, email marketing, and also social media marketing. So that's kind of cool. And you have a tool that boasts customers such as Microsoft, Logitech, and Capcom. So basically, Digital River is again, like I said, here is a name that you don't really hear a lot. It's not a household name as Shopify or WooCommerce or BigCommerce, but they have been kicking ass. I want to repeat it. They have been kicking ass for the last 20 years, and so they have big customers as big names as customers, and so that's kind of cool. And cost actually is performance based, so it's always affordable because basically the cost is actually a variable metric that's tied to your revenue. Okay, so you will never pay too much if you are using Digital River. So are some of the pluses that we are able to actually to unearth when we analyze the Digital River. What about the cons here? Well, and I'll speak about cost later on, but basically, payment plans are available upon request. So from that point of view, we don't like that because the Digital River is really mum. They have kept mum about the prices because we actually did reach out to them, but they first want you to really give them a whole lot of detail about your needs before they actually quote you. So that's a little complicated. I mean, it's not really necessary in our view because you have a lot of big players in the market from Shopify to BigCommerce that actually give you their pricing transparently. So why is Digital River playing games with pricing? We don't know. Also, the customer service within Digital River can be improved. Okay, they're not really where they're at right now, and some aspects of the technology could actually be updated. That's really an important element to think about. So, what are the benefits here? When you think about Digital River, what kind of benefits can you actually envision? Can you actually contemplate? Can you expect with the software? So, basically, Digital River actually gives you an extensive suite of e-commerce services that really add value to your bottom line overall, right? So, we love the fact that you have a myriad of solutions. So, then those solutions actually range from back office services. You have order management, you have inventory management, you have channel lead management, you have merchandising, and you also have a self-service. And so that's kind of cool. So when you look at Digital River, don't just think about your e-commerce solution, but you have an extensive suite of back office modules and capabilities. And so you're able to actually be online real fast. So that's kind of cool. And it doesn't matter if you want to engage globally or locally. Digital River actually will be there for you, giving you a set of capabilities to actually make sure that you are engaging with your clients a lot faster. So that's kind of cool. Also, what we love about Digital River is that it allows you to handle your payment needs and preferences real fast. So the payment suite within Digital River, and that's something that we really were surprised when we investigated this software. The payment suite, I was saying, helps you actually speed up your payment processes by offering your customers the best local payment options, whatever you sell. So if you are selling right now in Indonesia or Nigeria or South Africa or Brazil or Germany, for instance, you are able to actually customize your payment solution, your payment options, so that your customers will not actually be a little disoriented. Like if people are shopping with your store, they will feel comfortable. They will feel local. They will feel comfortable. So whether your business caters to traditional customers who prefer to pay on sites or clients who want to settle their payments via online channels, the cool thing is that Digital River gives you that reliable, secure, and flexible set of payments platform to help you with payment processing. So that's kind of cool. And another benefit that I want to insist on when you analyze Digital River is actually the marketing aspect of things, marketing. And so with Digital River, you can enjoy powerful features. I think I've said this before, but I want to repeat it. You have display advertising, you have advanced analytics, you have email marketing, you have site optimization, you have search engine marketing. So the SEM part is really strong. And on top of that, Digital River employs multilingual and multicultural experts to help all kinds of businesses create the perfect and most effective marketing strategies for their brand, wherever they're located. So that's kind of cool in terms of geography. I want to talk to you about the features here. When you think about the Digital River, what kind of features can you analyze? Can you expect with this provider? Well, one thing for sure, when it comes to features, you have prominently the ability to have commerce solutions. So Digital River actually offers commerce solutions for everyone. I mean, from small businesses to global corporations. So they actually cover the whole gamut, they cover the whole e-commerce solutions, e-commerce platforms. So whether your business is funky and independent, or if it's old school and globalized, you'll find a solution that works for you through Digital River. Okay, and so that's kind of cool. What we love about this platform is that you have smart and proven, completely scalable, and always updated solutions that are available in fully managed, self-managed, and independent formats. What I mean here is that you have a tool that allows you to get things done a lot faster, no matter where you are located, no matter the niche you want to go after, no matter the leads and prospects you want to push down your sales funnel. Basically, Digital River will help you there. So besides commerce solutions, you also have e-marketing solutions. So I think I've said this before in terms of marketing solutions. You have 3 distinct marketing solutions. You have MarketForce, which is really a full-service marketing agency that completely frees you from the need to manage marketing in-house. So basically, you are outsourcing your marketing to Digital River. You also have a company that provides localization services for over 200 countries. That's what I said a little earlier. So if you are somewhere in Georgia, if you are in Atlanta, Georgia, and you want to actually sell to customers in Nigeria or customers in Germany or customers in Australia, Digital River can actually help you localize your offer. And the company actually is, and this is a third benefits. The company is partnered with a broad array of respected service providers from Adobe to DHL. So that's kind of cool. So no matter what your industry, no matter what your industry, one of these e-marketing solutions is likely to really fit you. So that's kind of cool. And so you also have payment solutions, you have value, you have safety options, you have customer support and overall service. Also really fantastic. In terms of payment solutions, you have all kinds of solutions actually, from PayPal to Stripe to ADN to all the other players here. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Long story short, you have a software provider that has big names as clients, right? Microsoft, you have Adobe, you have Logitech, you have Capcom. So that's really good. That's really reassuring. So what is the value added here? So when you think about Digital River, what kind of value can this software, can this e-commerce platform add to your operations? Well, what we love about Digital River is that it really adds a lot of value when it comes to back office infrastructure. So basically, if you were listening to me right now and you're just wondering, I mean, I don't have the back office infrastructure. I don't even have a staff member to actually help me out. I'm a solopreneur. I'm a one person business. Well, good thing is you have the ability to actually go to Digital River and they'll take care of things for you. Okay. They'll set up your store. They'll manage it for you. They'll maintain it for you. You also have a channel partner management. This is another value added through Digital River. So we love that a lot. You have global tax services. I was telling you a little earlier that Digital River actually provides localization services, and with along with those localization services, they are actually adding also the fiscal aspect of things. So as I was saying a little earlier, if they are providing localization services to you in Australia, they'll make sure that you are actually compliant with local tax rules, right? If they're providing a localization service to you in Nigeria or Zimbabwe or Brazil, for that matter, they're making sure that you are actually complying. Okay, they have also global fulfillment. So I was telling you a little earlier about their partnership with the likes of DHL. So that's that's a biggie. I mean, partnering with DHL is really big in the sense that it really offers a new array of possibilities to you, not only from a logistical point of view, but also in terms of solidifying your relationship with customers and also vendors. If customers can really trust you in terms of delivering on time all the time, that's really good. Okay, and you also have an enterprise global commerce. So you're able to actually like this module is really great because Digital River adds value here, kind of similar to Magento, Adobe. You know, like if you have an enterprise global commerce sort of vision in mind, you will love this aspect of things. You also have in-app solutions within Digital River, so that's kind of cool also in terms of giving you the possibilities and capabilities you need to be online real fast. Continue when we sort of analyze the value added within Digital River. What we love about Digital River is that we also love the fact that you have merchandising. So you're able to actually add an extra layer of revenue to your e-commerce or even off-commerce possibilities. So merchandising is just kind of cool. Whether you go natively or you go through a print on demand sort of app, Digital River actually gives you that capability. You have professional services, and I think I alluded to it a little earlier in terms of giving you all kinds of services, offering you all kinds of services like in-house. You have risk management, so Digital River actually helps you also in terms of risk management. That's kind of cool from let's say from a scalability point of view. Whether you're a risk averse or a risk taker, Digital River will actually help you out. You have cross-border payment optimization. I've said this a little earlier. Cross-border payment optimization is actually ancillary to the localization services that Digital River actually offers. And when we speak about localization services, of course, we have the fiscal aspect that I spoke about a little earlier, but you also have the cross-border payment optimization. You also have internet bank payments. You have payments for Europe, That's kind of cool. You have payments for Africa. You have payments for Latin America. You have payments for Asia. So that's kind of cool. You have Union Pay International. So that's another value added a lot that we love a lot within Digital River. You have a mobile payment page. You have advanced analytics. That's a good thing. You have display advertising, email services, search engine marketing, but most importantly, you have a contextual commerce. So contextual commerce is kind of cool because Digital River adapts your offer to market trends. So, for instance, during COVID, Digital River helped a lot of customers actually with contextual commerce to make sure that they are always relevant vis-a-vis the existing external trends, but also the internal psychographics that customers have to deal with. So that's kind of important to really think about. So what are the extras here? When you think about Digital River, let's first talk about the cost. How much does Digital River cost? Well, as you can see on the screen here, they do not publish their pricing. You're going to have to contact Digital River, have a conversation with them, and actually after that, they will quote you. They give you a custom quote that will really sort of give you an idea of how much you might have to pay. And this will be this will be based on your needs, of course, but also your budget, but also your size. So that's an important element to think about. So in terms of technical details, well, devices supported, you have Windows, Mac, and web-based. So you have all kinds of details here, all kinds of devices here. And the deployment is cloud hosted. So Digital River is cloud-based. You do not have to download or actually install, let's say, on-premise, a software tool for you to access things locally. No, you can access Digital River globally, like remotely. That's fine. Language of support is actually English, so they do not actually have other languages as of now. And in terms of customer types, they actually cover the whole 9 yards. I mean, they actually cover small businesses, large enterprise, medium businesses. So, do we recommend Digital River? Oh, sure. I mean, of course. Sure. We actually recommend Digital River. It's a safe platform. It's a reliable platform. It's actually a scalable platform. So that's kind of cool. And so, if you're interested if you're interested in pushing your professional and e-commerce aspirations forward, this is a great player to actually partner with, especially in the long run. So that's kind of cool. And also in terms of support, they actually do give you live support. They give you email. They have a phone support, and they have training, and they also have tickets. So you have a lot of possibilities in terms of getting in touch with someone at Digital River, especially if you have questions around setup and or maintenance of your online store. So in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about Digital River. This was an in-depth review of the tool. I gave you our overview, the evaluation, the benefits, the features, the value added, the extras, and now the conclusion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.